Zyrtec tablets is an antiallergic, antihistamine. Active ingredient cetirizine. Cetirizine prevents the development and facilitates the course of allergic reactions, has antipruritic and antiexudative effects. Reduces the permeability of capillaries, prevents the development of tissue edema, relieves spasm of smooth muscles. Cetirizine does not have anticholinergic and anti-serotonin effects. In therapeutic doses, the drug practically does not cause a sedative effect. Indications: treatment of symptoms of year-round and seasonal allergic rhinitis and allergic conjunctivitis, such as itching, sneezing, rhinorrhea, lacrimation, conjunctival hyperemia, hay fever, pollinosis, urticaria, including chronic idiopathic urticaria, quincus edema, other allergic dermatosis, including atopic dermatitis, accompanied by itching and rashes. How to use? The drug is prescribed inside. Adults and children over 6 years of age are prescribed at a dose of 10 mg, 1 tablet or 20 drops per day. Adults 10 mg 1 time per day. Children 5 mg 2 times per day or 10 mg 1 time per day. Sometimes an initial dose of 5 mg may be sufficient to achieve a therapeutic effect. Children aged 2 to 6 years are prescribed 2.5 mg 5 drops 2 times per day or 5 mg 10 drops 1 time per day. Children aged 1 to 2 years are prescribed 2.5 mg 5 drops up to 2 times per day. Children aged 6 months to 12 months are prescribed 2.5 mg 5 drops 1 time per day. In renal failure and in elderly patients, the dose of the drug shall be adjusted depending on the size of the SCC. Contraindications: end-stage renal failure, pregnancy, lactation period, breastfeeding, hereditary galactose intolerance, lactose deficiency, or glucose-galactose malabsorption syndrome. Children age up to 6 years, 4 tablets. Children age up to 6 months, 4 drops. Hypersensitivity to the components of the drug, hypersensitivity to hydroxyzine. Special instructions: for children aged 6 months to 6 years, Zyrtec is prescribed in the dosage form of drops for oral administration of 10 mg per milliliter. With caution, the drug shall be prescribed for chronic renal failure, moderate or severe severity, as well as for elderly patients. Side effects: from the hematopoietic system, thrombocytopenia, from the nervous system, drowsiness, dizziness, headache, aggression, agitation, confusion, depression, hallucinations, insomnia, tic, convulsions, dyskinesia, dystonia, paresthesia, fainting, tremor. On the part of the organ of vision, disturbance of accommodation, blurred vision, nystagmus. From the side of the cardiovascular system, tachycardia. From the respiratory system, rhinitis, pharyngitis. From the digestive system, dry mouth, nausea, abdominal pain, diarrhea, liver dysfunction. From the urinary system, urination disorder, enuresis. Allergic reactions, itching, rash, urticaria, angioedema, hypersensitivity up to the development of anaphylactic shock. On the part of metabolism, weight gain, other, fatigue, asthenia, malaise, edema. Side effects develop in very rare cases.